Laser engraving stud earring trick. Easy way to make a holder for precision engraving. Today, I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process of making a stud earring holder so that it holds your earring blanks flat and securely while engraving them with ease and precision. People online suggest using putty or something gummy, but that's not consistent if you're trying to do a pair or in batches. Also, you're risking the surface not being level. My method, on the other hand, is very inexpensive and easy. A couple of things I have here: an inexpensive drill press. I filmed the unboxing and assembly, and I will leave a link to that video. It is really useful for drilling straight holes into shells, sea glass, making earring cards, and of course, drilling wood. I also have a piece of leftover wood trim, 1.5 inches by 3/4. It is inexpensive, flat, and sometimes you can even get free samples from the lumber yard. So here we go. Later in the video, I show how it works lasering and some final engraved results. Feel free to speed up the video because I took my time and filmed the entire process. I'm going to do that. And then I'm just going to drill holes in it. Basically, I'm going to drill a hole just slightly bigger than this. And I'm going to release this one and put up this little guy, a 1.1 millimeter. Most of the studs are 1 millimeter or 0.9 thick. To make sure that this is actually straight. So if I had inserted it improperly, I guess it would have gone spinning, but that looks okay. And this will, I need it to go lower. Okay, that. And then I can, yeah, okay. Although this is 5 millimeters and I can just have them all along here, I might want to use bigger ones. So I'm going to space them out a bit. Let's see. Perfect. I will have other earrings, such as this. I've drafted a line at the bottom so it's even, so that if I put another square earring there, I will know how to level it. I'm also going to do the same thing on top. Okay, so this is what I've got so far. And actually I'm going to do center lines as guides. So I've drawn these lines so they will be really good guides for me to double check and visually check the center, and we'll see if this actually helps a lot in our engraving. I'm going to pause here for a moment. Since the filming, I later discovered that I don't need as many guidelines because I have learned to frame the outline shape of each stud earring blank for maximum precision. I'll share how I do that in another video. Another trick is to get a piece of lumber that has a straight 90-degree corner, or cut it on a table saw to get that 90-degree angle. This way you can push it against the placeholder jig and it will fit perfectly in place each time for repeats and batch runs. Make sure to cut the block small enough to fully fit onto your engraving platform so you can close the protective lid. You don't need a large block to fit many pairs of earrings. Here I am testing it out. I've only started engraving round earrings, but I will film other shapes very soon. One of the most popular things is engraving children and pet names. Look at the precision on these 5 millimeter stud earrings. I hope you enjoyed that. Stones and Findings is a wholesaler of a huge selection of sterling silver and gold-filled engraving blanks and jewelry findings. I'm going to leave more information about our company in the descriptions below.